Hey guys, now it's time to start our discussion about the logical AND operator. So what is the logical AND operator? In Java, the logical AND operator is represented by the double ampersand sign. It's a binary operator that combines two Boolean expressions and returns true only if both of the expressions evaluate to true. If either or both of the expressions evaluate to false, the result will be false. So let's open IntelliJ IDE. I will open IntelliJ IDE. You should open your IDE. I will select the control flow project. And I will declare two variables here. First is gonna be int score, gonna be equal to 100, and boolean is active is gonna be equal to true. Semicolon. Then I will put here, I'm gonna use the if statement. So if parenthesis, if score, so if the score is greater or equal to 100, and now I'm gonna use the logical AND operator, which are two ampersand signs. So I'm gonna put two ampersand signs and it's active equals to true. I'm going to put left curly brace, I will press enter, and the right curly brace is going to be added automatically. And I will type here SOUT, and I will say you are at the next level. Else, so I'm going to add an else if the expression evaluates to false. I'm going to type SOUT, you are at the same level. So if I run this code, we'll get you're at the next level because this condition and the entire expression here evaluates to true. So both expressions, the expression on the left and the expression on the right, are true. And because we're using the logical AND operator, if both expressions are true, that means that the entire expression will evaluate to true. But if I change its active and also change it to only is active, not equals true, because it's redundant. And if I change this to false, so now the score is greater than or equal to 100, but it's active, it's equal to false. Now if I run this, it says you are at the same level. Now because one of the expressions evaluates to false, which is active is equal to false, the entire expression is evaluated to false. So this is the logical AND operator. And I will end this video here and see you in the next video.